Nice. Very nice. Can I get a demo?
Yep.
All right. Woo. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Willie Walker. I got 2 Scar VXF 12s and a 6 cubic foot box tuned at 30 hertz. I got a RP 4500. I got 2 RP 150.4s on my doors. I got 3/8 compression driver, a 4-inch tweeter in front. And rear doors, I got 2 6.5 and a 3.5-inch tweeter. And I got a Stetson DSP over here with an audio assassin bass knob.
Nice. Who built the box?
I did.
You did, okay. Do you like this since you changed it up? You do?
I love it.
Yes, sir.
It hits real low.
Have you?
I can play up to 18 hertz.
Really? Wow.
And it sounds pretty good.
Where are you peaking at? Do you know your frequency on that yet?
I haven't did it yet.
You haven't done it? Okay.
Since I've redone it.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
That's it. You want to play low?
Play with, yeah, play some lows, yeah.
Somebody get somebody. I need some good something.
Wow.
It tuned pretty low.
Yeah.
And I still got a stock on.
Making doors jiggle and girls giggle. It's DJ Rusty Balls. Yeah, if I could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, and this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass. Pay me back on engines over all the presents I would say. Fuck my friends behind my shoulder next time on the stage.
Man, can I see the back real quick? Just see how the box is and the depth. Wow. Did this slide in?
Yes.
Must have been.
I re-braced it, and that's why it's
okay.
Like that.
Very nice.
I got 2 Odyssey batteries in here. 2 on wire.
Yep. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Somebody, call somebody, get somebody. I need some good something.
Yeah, man, go ahead. 18, wow.
Yeah. It tuned pretty low.
Yeah.
And I still got a stock on.
Making doors jiggle and go. Could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, and this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back, good, it's over all the my friends behind my shoulder. Next time on the stairs. If I could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, and this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back or bitch, it's over. All the presents I would send, fuck my friends behind my shoulder. Next time I'ma stay asleep.
Wow.
Yeah. It's tuned pretty low. And I still got a stock on.
The sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back or it's over. All the presents I would send, fuck my friends behind my shoulder.
My son ain't closed up. Yep. Appreciate your time.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.